Hello friends, welcome back to Mail Smartly. Today in this video I will show you 12 methods to delete multiple emails in New Outlook. So whether you are a complete beginner or a power user, there is something you can learn from this video. So do you have your inbox looking like this? Hundreds or even thousands of unread emails. So don't worry, by the end of this video, you will learn how to clean up this mess in minutes. So I have divided this video in three parts. First is basic methods for beginners, moderate methods for regular users, and advanced method for the power users. So let's jump on in. So method first, select individual emails with checkbox. So let's start with the most basic method. In New Outlook, when you hover your mouse over an email, you will see a checkbox appear on the left side. In most of the cases, most of the users don't recognize it and don't bother about this checkbox. Now I will click to select an email. So I select this one. Let me select few more emails by clicking their checkbox one by one. So I select this one and this one. Now that I have selected multiple emails, now I simply need to click on the delete button in the toolbar. So when I click on this home tab, under delete section, you will see this delete button. You simply click on it, or you can use Ctrl D keyboard shortcut to execute the delete action. So when I click on it, you will see my emails are deleted. So this method is best when you have 2 to 5 specific emails to delete. Now method 2, select all visible emails. Now let me show you an even faster way. Look at the top of your email list. Do you see this checkbox? So when you select any email, checkbox just besides the focused folder appears. That means it will allow you to select all the emails which are visible in your inbox. Simply click on it and you will see all my emails are selected. This checkbox is not visible earlier. This will appear only when I select a specific email. Now what? I have selected all my emails. Now I can simply click on this empty focused. So all my emails are selected, and when you click on this delete button, all my emails are available in the focus inbox are deleted. So if you have worked in Outlook Classic, you can only select the entire emails which are visible on your screen. If you want to select entire list or entire inbox, you have to scroll down. But in the new Outlook, this problem is totally sorted out. When you select this checkbox, which is available for all the emails, all your emails which are listed or which are available in the inbox are selected. Now method 3, shift plus click. So this next method is a game changer. So let's say you want to delete emails from Monday to Friday. So instead of selecting each email one by one, you can select the range instantly. So first I will select the checkbox of my first email. Now I scroll down and the last email in my range. Say I want to select this email. So I want to delete this email to this email. Means today to this week. I simply hold the shift key on my keyboard and click on the last email checkbox. Look at that. Every single email between the first and the last one are now selected. This is so much faster than clicking one by one. Now simply click on delete button once again from here, and you can also use this delete button as well. So these are the 3 basic beginners methods you can use to delete multiple emails. Now I will show you the moderate method which a regular user can use. Regular users means the users which are little bit familiar with the new Outlook. Now the fourth method is use search and select all. Now what if you want to delete the emails from a specific sender or a specific keyword like newsletter, like I have received tons of emails from Amazon. So for that, first click on the search bar available on the top of your screen, then type what I'm looking for. Let me type, say, newsletter, and press enter. So I have only one email in my inbox with the newsletter. See, when I open this email, you will check out the word newsletter in the email. See, it is highlighted with the yellow color. That means this is the keyword I'm searching for, which is not only in the subject line, but also in the message body. In my case, I have only one email, but maybe in your case, you have multiple emails. Now I will select all the checkbox at the top by clicking on this, and then simply go to my home tab and delete all. All newsletters emails are gone like this, deleted. Now let me show you some powerful search tricks as well. Instead of typing newsletter, you can also type from and newsletter, or you can type subject Amazon. Hit enter like that. These are some kind of search terms which you can use, and all your emails which are matching with your input are listed, and you can very easily delete them. Now method 5, use filter and delete. Now new Outlook has a filter feature which can filter out all your required email according to your necessity. So if you can see on my screen, I have this option, filter. When I click on it, I get options like unread, flag, to me, has attachment, and many more. Let me click on unread. Now you will see when you scroll down, all your emails which are listed are unread. These are not opened yet. Now I will select all and delete them very easily by simply click any email. My checkbox appears, click on my checkbox and repeat the process. Click delete focused, or you can use delete focused from here as well. Now next is sweep feature. This is the powerful and my favorite one. So let's say I'm getting too many promotional emails from a company. So instead of deleting one by one, simply select the email, go to the home tab above. In the move section, there is a small icon which is sweep. Click on it. Now look at these amazing options. First option is move all messages from the inbox folder to the deleted folder. The deleted folder is by default selected, although there is other options as well in this sweep feature, but I select deleted items. Second option is move all messages from the inbox folder and any future messages. Third is always keep the last message and move the rest from the inbox folder. And the last one is always move messages older than 10 days from the inbox folder. So I select the first one and hit OK. And just like that, all emails from this sender are deleted. This is so useful for cleaning up promotional emails and newsletters. I cancel it because I don't want to sweep this message, but I'll just show you the demo. Now method 7, delete by folder. So if you have organized your emails into a folder, you can very easily delete all the content by just one click. So look at your folders from the left side, right click on the folder. So I have this high priority folder. I have a couple of emails here. I simply click on this right button and I simply hit delete. So this way you can very easily delete your entire folder, which consists of some unnecessary emails, and you can get rid of those emails. So excellent, those are the moderate methods. So now let's move with the advanced methods for the power users. So method 8 for the power users, which is rules to delete your email. So what if I told you you can delete those emails automatically before you see that in your inbox? Yes, the rule feature can do it for you. This is like set it and forget it method. The first option is to click on this gear symbol, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. And second option is you can use this file tab and hit this setting button as well. So in both cases, you can get into your setting dialog box. Now select mail and select rule from here. So I will create a rule to automatically delete all promotional emails first. First, I will give you a name. So I give the name here. So first I need to click on this add new rule. I name it, say delete promotional. Then I set a condition. So when an email arrived from, I need to select from here. So I need to select the email. So you can manually type here, or I can select my own email address to show you the demo. This is my own email address, another email address. Now the action, add an action. So here I select the drop down and I will select delete. You can also add another action. You can add exceptions if you required and hit save. Now this rule is added in your rule list. And whenever you receive an email from that email address which you have added here, your mail will be automatically deleted and sent to the delete folder. Now the second method of advanced is advanced search operators. So earlier I have shown you the basic search from your search bar. Now let me show you advanced search operators that give you precious control over what to find and delete. So let me find an email older than 1 month. So I simply type receive : now I need to enter the date here. So I type 2025-11-01. Hit enter. Now you will see the emails which are received from 1st of November 2025 are listed here. See 30th of December, or I will also type equal to here, hit enter. Now see 1st of November 2025 to till today. So I have typed received greater than equal to 2025, and this is my month, which is November, and 01 is the date. So you will see all the emails which are received from 1st November 2025 till date are listed here. If I scroll down to the bottom, see 1st of November 2025, you will check out here. So this way you can list out your specific emails. So this is the date. So if you want to find out large emails over 5 MB, so type size : more than, hit enter. So these are the emails which I have received in my inbox more than 5 MB. So you can filter out emails by the special advanced search. You can also find out with the multiple senders, like if I type from : Amazon or from : Flipkart, hit enter. This can also work. Although in my inbox, I don't have any emails with Amazon or Flipkart. So you can use this combination, these operators, to create very specific searches and then select all and delete. This is how the pros cleans their inbox. Now the final method is keyboard shortcut to speed up your work. So if you want to really fast learn then keyboard shortcut, your mouse will become jealous. The first keyboard shortcut is Control A. That will select all your emails. And the second keyboard is delete button, which will delete all your emails and send it to the delete folder. And if you have chosen to delete them entirely, you have to use Shift Delete or delete permanently. Now method 11, which is focused inbox. So focused inbox is a smart feature that automatically separates important emails from less important ones. Let me show you how to use it for quick cleanup. Now you will see my inbox. It is split into two categories or two tabs. First is focused and second is other. The focused tab has important emails and the other tab consists of those emails which are less important for me. Although in my case, my other folder is already empty. So if you have to remove those unnecessary, unwanted emails or Those emails consist of some newsletters, some promotional emails. Select this other folder, select the email, again repeat the same process and hit delete. This method can help you out to remove some unnecessary emails from your inbox. And the last advanced method is Quick Step. So this will let you create a single click action which you can use to remove all your unnecessary emails. Again, go to your settings, click on mail from the left navigation section, click on quick steps. Here you have to create your quick step. So hit add quick step. First name it. So I name it delete multiple emails. Now choose an action. Click on the drop down. I select delete. Now the options. You can also add another action, but I keep it single. Custom your quick step description. Delete. Now you have to assign a keyboard shortcut. There are few keyboard shortcuts already provided by New Outlook. So I select the first one only, Control Shift and 5 and hit save. Now you will see this quick step is added here. Delete multiple emails. My keyboard shortcut which quick step provided me is Control Shift 5. Now I close it and I will show you the demo. When I click on my inbox and I select a specific email, say I select this one and I hit Control Shift 5 and you see my email is deleted. Now whenever I select emails and click my quick clean button, both actions happens instantly. This is perfect for repetitive tasks. I will show you one more thing, a bonus tip. When I create this quick step and click on the home tab, under quick step, see this delete is added in the list. You can either use the keyboard shortcut or you can simply select the email and hit this quick step. In both the methods, your email will be removed. So I hope you have learned something new from this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.